Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are painting a colorful gecko. In March and April I spent my holidays in California, and you can see these colorful geckos as paintings or as decorations made from tin everywhere, and I really liked it, so I decided I will paint a gecko with you today. Make sure that the pen you're using is waterproof. Otherwise this painting will be a mess. I use a Staedtler permanent pen. You can find the link in the description below. You can download the sketch on my Patreon page. If you would like to support me, please see the link in the description below. I wet the paper before I put in the colors. I use the wet in wet technique. This is the best way to blend colors. This is a very powerful painting, and I used a lot of bright colors. The colors I used you can see in the description below. Here I created a puddle of water. I took a dry brush to pick up the excess water. I painted a little bit over the line. Now I'm covering it with my doodles. Now I want to doodle on the colorful gecko. I use a black pen for the lighter parts and a white pen for the darker parts. Which pens I used you can see in the description below. You can see the white pen in the darker parts best, so just use it in dark red, dark blue or dark green. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed painting this colorful gecko with me. Please hit the like button if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to support me or download the sketches, please go to my Patreon page. All the links are in the description below. Thank you very much and see you soon.